Are your Adobe apps crashing due to the Photoshop Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we begin our Photoshop Library walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the Photoshop Library, the primary localized execution module for Adobe Photoshop. It manages the global application state, plugin manifest loading, and provides the low-level coordinate transformation engine used for brushstrokes and filter applications. Corruption results in an immediate crash during the initializing tools phase of the splash screen. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. This error usually occurs when Adobe is damaged or incompletely installed. Download and reinstall the latest official version of Adobe to replace required files such as Photoshop Library DLL. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Photoshop Library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for Photoshop Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to Photoshop Library. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Photoshop Library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.